Hello YouTube friends, today I have an Amazon unboxing of a new backpack and I'm going to show you what I put in it for a toddler theme park day. For any theme park, Disneyland, Six Flags, SeaWorld, the zoo, for us baseball games, a school carnival recently. Just anytime I'm going to be away from home for like more than 3 hours, this is what I take with me. Let's go. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I do family-friendly content twice a week, fun product reviews, Disney pins, Disney trips, cruising, all sorts of things. Just watch. Alright, the box is open and here we go. This is by Becko. They've kindly offered a coupon code. There'll be a link in the description box below. It is limited time only, so get yours now on Amazon. It's very affordable. This video is not sponsored. All opinions are my own. We have reviewed another product by Becko before. It's a water doodle mat that my kids loved. They spend a lot of time playing with that. Even now, they really like it. So click the link right here if you want to see more of that. I like carrying a backpack around when I'm out with the kids so then I can be hands-free. It's adjustable. There's pockets on the side for water bottles or kid bottles. You can also hold it by the handle here. There's a nice Velcro pocket on the back. We could slip stuff in there, and since this is close to your back, I'd feel comfortable putting my wallet in there if you need easy access, or maps for the park you're at, or things you need to keep handy right away. That's great to slip right in there. All the pockets. So here's a little one right there that's zippered for security. You can put stuff in there. Ooh, look at that. That's like thermal lined. And you can put a bottle in there that would keep it warm or cold, or snacks. Here's the main outside zipper pocket for easy access. It's kind of dark gray inside. And then here's the main zipper compartment. Wow, look at all this. I don't know if you can see all the different compartments in there. There's this zipper one. So here's what the inside looks like. It does have a mesh big packet right there. It does come with a changing pad. That's what this is. So this is great for changing your kid on the go. I've also used these to sit on if the bench is dirty or there's just like rocks or cement to sit on. So, and I also have a kid still in diapers, so I do have to use this. It also has all these pockets here, the zipper pocket and these with the mesh. And very cool. I like all the different compartments to keep your stuff safe and organized. It also comes with an extra strap. You can make it bigger, make it a crossbody maybe. So you would hook these on right here. I use these probably once a week for any big activity that we have. This is what I carry instead of a purse, because it's so handy and I need all the stuff in it. Hi, now I'm going to show you what I put in my new Becko bag for a toddler. So first, in this zipper compartment, I have medical supplies, I guess, like alcohol wipes, a couple of Band-Aids. This is my sunscreen stick. I love this for their faces. You just put it on like that. It's like a deodorant. It's 50 SPF plus, but this is great for when you're out and on the go. It's very convenient. We need an inhaler, and then this is just little aspirin or pain pills for adults and kids. You never know. You never know. I've needed all those things on a day out. I have the changing pad that's included, and then I put in my Ziploc bag plenty of diapers for the day, my wipes, and a change of clothes. And I just keep it in a bag. It's cheap and Then I can just take this out to go change your toddler, or if you're on a water ride or it rains or anything could happen, it's protected. Your diapers aren't going to get wet. And you can still use them. That's a big deal. So I'm going to stick that in there. I have a hoodie in case it gets chilly or we're out after dark. A hat for the opposite reason during the day. Sunglasses for each kid. I have a boy and a girl, so I'm putting those in this mesh compartment here so they'll stay separated and easy to grab. That's about all I need on the inside, and I still have plenty of room. You could add souvenirs or extra sweatshirt for extra kids. Anything extra you need can fit in there. I might add a baseball cap for myself if it's going to be a sunny day, or just extra room to put things that's not even close to being full. I'm going to zip that up. So on this side I just have my sanitizer. We use that often, you know, before you eat or after rides. And on this outside part I put a water bottle, and you can see it fits plenty. This is a big 24-ounce water bottle. It fits just fine. You know, some of the bags are like half this size and they fall out, or they're like, what good is that if it's not going to hold anything? This, I like how tall it is and that it's going to keep your water secure in there. This front pocket I kept free. I'm going to put my wallet, phone, and keys in there so they're readily accessed. Or if you have an extra camera, I would put that in there. This little front one, I made my snack since it's thermal lined. I don't need bottles or formula anymore, but if you did, I would put your baby bottle in there. So I just have a few little snacks. Let's see what we got. Gummies. This is to-go milk because my toddler's not on formula anymore. She drinks regular food products, right? Just small versions. So this is ready-to-go milk. If I bring it with me, chilled or frozen, it'll last. And it's a little packet thing, granola bar, some gum for mommy, just whatever you need. You can add more or less snacks depending on what you're going to do. You know what your kid likes. This isn't about the snacks, just showing you it all fits in here. No problem, whatever you want to take. So this compartment, I just made my toy stash. So have a little phonics book. That's more for my son to mess around with. Here's our Becko water book that you just use the water pen to color that, and neat pictures come up with mystery stuff on it. Here's the water pen. Another book to write in. Both my kids just like to doodle, so a little thing. Let's see what else. Some pens, a few cars, stuff like that. Whatever you like. You know what your kids like, but whether you're at a long restaurant or a theme park line or a baseball game, just something to keep them busy besides your phone, which is always last resort, right? Have them watch this YouTube video. I also always bring just an extra grocery bag for in case you need a dirty diapers or clothes get wet or you buy something. Or, like I learned recently in California, they don't give you bags where you shop, so you need something to put your stuff in. I'm also dropping in my favorite, well, not my favorite brand, but the on-sale brand of tissues or Kleenex or whatever. You always need those. So that's my complete Becko bag. It's still really light. I fit everything I need with room for more. I like it has multiple carrying options like this, or on your back, or as a purse type thing with this. So it'd also be good just if you're a backpacker or adult going out for the day, or have older kids. This will fit everything you need for travel or a big day out. So, yes, I give it thumbs up. Does your thumb do that? Yes. Mine does. So what toddler items did I miss that you always have to bring, like 100% necessity? Put it in the comments below so everyone else can know too, because I'm sure there's something I forgot, but this is plenty to get us started and out the door. Don't forget about the coupon code in the description box below. So here's my toddler. Do you like doing fun stuff like going to Six Flags and Disneyland and the zoo? And where else do you like to go? Chuck E. Cheese?
Yes.
So what do you think of your new bag?
Toys.
There's toys in there. Say this will be super cool.
Bye.
Bye.